This sensational 2006 Mitsubishi Lancer comes equipped with a responsive 2.0-liter inline four-cylinder 16-valve engine, an exciting manual transmission, and has front-wheel drive. Carfax estimates that this vehicle has had one owner, and that it also qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle has supportive seats, only 39,509 miles, and its electronic features include an AM/FM stereo system, a CD player and an AM/FM compact disc audio system. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with child safety locks, daytime running lights, and ventilated front disc brakes. Carfax has not received any information indicating that the airbags have been deployed. Call or come by today to arrange a test drive.